Every company runs on paperwork that needs a signature, acknowledgement, or approval. Document templates in Workforce Premium and Elite setup offer letters, agreements, and forms once. Reuse templates for every employee, manager, or admin who needs to sign, with no rebuilding required. In this video, we'll walk through how to build a template from a PDF, send it to an employee, and complete it from the employee's view. To start, go to Team, then Documents. Select Add Document. Choose a document type. This choice is permanent, so select carefully. For this example, we'll select Agreements, Forms, and Handbooks. Choose how to build the document. Upload file uses an existing PDF or Word doc. Create new starts from scratch in QuickBooks. To upload a file, drag in the file, or browse to select it from your computer. The document name fills in automatically, but update it if needed. Optionally, select a folder to keep templates organized. Select Save and Continue. Next, decide how the document gets completed. By default, both the document sender and team member are set to digitally sign. In this case, since the admin is sending the handbook and not signing it, remove the document sender. Keep team member set to needs to sign digitally. Select Save and Continue. Fields fall into two groups. Autocomplete pulls data automatically from company and employee profiles, and team member fields wait for the employee to fill them in. Select Show Fields to see every available option. To add a field, select it, then select a spot on the page where it should go and resize as needed. For the handbook acknowledgement, add signature, employee legal full name, and sign date. Select the Review tab to preview the document from each recipient's view. Confirm the fields look right, and when everything is ready, select Publish. Select Send to Team Members to open the recipients list. Choose the team members and confirm. Once you review the document and assignees, select Send Document. In the employee's Workforce account, they see a notification that a task is assigned. Select View Tasks to open the task list, then select Sign Document. Select Start to begin. Use the Next Field button to jump between any fields that still need to be completed. In the Add Signature window, enter the full legal name, then select Sign. Once every field is complete, select Finish. Back in the admin account, go to Team, then Employees, and select the employee. Open the Documents tab to find the signed handbook, and hover over the Sign tag to see details. Select View to open the completed document, or select the Action drop-down for additional options. Now you're ready to set up document templates in Workforce Premium and Elite.